So guys, hello. So quickly, I want to do a video on how to add a wallet on COIN98 app. Now, for most of us that are actually don't have an idea of what it is, in case you want to add the Binance Smart Chain wallet to your COIN98 app, what you need to do is on this particular screen, though, if you open your app for the first time, this all wallet, this send, this receive, this history would not be there. What you will see there is add wallet, buy crypto vault, and more. That's what you'll be seeing. The reason why you're seeing all wallet is because I have added wallets before. So if you want to add a wallet, for instance, now to add a wallet, what you need to do is click on add wallet. If you click on add wallet, for instance, now I want to add the Binance Smart Chain wallet. I'll click on it and then I'll have to click on create if it's a new one. But I've created the Binance Smart Chain wallet before, so I'm not creating. So let me just create. I want to create an Ethereum wallet. I'll click on Ethereum, click on create. So if I click on create, then I'll enter the name I want for the wallet. I can just say Ethereum. Ethereum. Let me see the word. Okay. The next, that's it. Then if it displays, you will see private key, you will see wallet name, you see wallet address, you see private key, you will see face required, then you see face or backup. Then what you simply need to do is you will now come back and click on this icon to your right hand side, click on it. Your passphrase has been copied. You come back and then you click on paste. Once you click on paste, you will now click on tick this, tick this, tick this, and then the next thing you have to do is click on create wallet. Once you create wallet, you see that is how it is easy to create a wallet on the COIN98 app. Okay,